Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Khalida Khanam and I welcome you to my channel. This is the part third of A Wrong Van in a Worker's Paradise. In our last class, we have discussed up to para number 7. In this class, we will go to the para number 8. Okay, next. A bustling girl went every day to a silent torrent. So, here, bustling girls means a girl very busy, still we can say. Okay, so she went to a silent torrent means stream here. Okay, waterfall we can say. Okay, so you would be thinking that how is the torrent silent? See, in the bracket they have given silent, since in a worker's paradise even a torrent would not waste its energy singing. Okay, so you were thinking no, that how would be the torrent silent? Because in workers paradise even a torrent did not waste its energy for making sound. So bustling girls means a busy girl. Okay, so why did she went to the silent torrent? To fill her pitchers are nothing but pots or a thing to store a water. Okay, next para number 8. The girl's movement on the road was like the rapid movement of a skilled hand on the string of guitar. Okay, so how was the girl's movement? It was very rapid movement. Okay, how was what the poet has compared it to? They have compared it to a skilled hand on a strings of a guitar. So if a skilled person is making the music of guitar, so he would be very speed or he would be very rapid. Like that, this girls was also moving on the road very rapidly. Okay, her hair was carelessly done, so not in a proper manner. Okay, inquisitive wisps peeped often over her forehead to peer at the dark wonder of her eye. So here inquisitive means curious. So she was very curious girl, and she was there is a dark wonder of her eye. Okay, next para number 10. The idler was standing by the stream. Okay, so here idler means a lazy man. So in this lesson, who is the lazy man? That man who has wasted all his time on earth without doing any good job and entered in a heaven. So he is standing by the stream. By the stream means he is standing beside the stream. Okay, stream means fast flowing a river. Okay, so I have told this in last class. Okay, next, as a princess sees a lonely beggar and is filled with pity. So when the princess, there is a princess in heaven, so when she sees this man, she filled with pity. Here pity means mercy. Okay, so she is very feeling very mercy seeing this man. Okay, so the busy girl of heaven saw this one and was filled with pity. So that busy girl who was moving very rapidly, she saw this all. What she saw? She saw a princess seeing that idler and filled with pity. She also filled with pity. Okay, next para number 11. Aha, she cried with concern. Okay, so how did she cry? She cried with concern. Okay, you have no work in hand, have you? What she asked to that idler? She asked that, don't you have any work? Shall I give you some work? She asked like that. Okay. The man sighed. Work. I have not a moment to spare for work. So this lazy man is a very bad man. So what he is telling? Work. I have not a moment to spare for work. What is telling? I am very busy and I won't waste my time for doing some work. Okay, the girl did not understand his words. So this is the para number 12. The girl did not understand his words and say, I shall spare some work for you to do if you like. What she's telling? If you like to do some work, I would give you some work. Okay, Number 13. The man replied, "Girl of the silent torrent, all this time I have been waiting to take some work from your hands." So what is telling? I was waiting for you only to have some work from you. Okay, what he replied to the girl, that I was waiting for you to get some work from your hands. Okay, next, para number 14. Again the girl asked that man, "What kind of work would you like?" So what she is asking, which type of work you are going to do. Next, para number 15. Will you give me one of your picture on that you can spare? So the man, he is very lazy man and he is asking her picture. What is meant by picture? Picture means a pot. Okay, so why is asking to this girl? Because she always went to the torrent to fill her pictures. Okay, so fill her pot. Okay, so the man is asking to that girl. What he is asking? He is asking that give me one of your pot. Okay, next, para number 16. She asked a picture, "You want to draw water from the torrent?" So what this girl was very confused, that why do you want my pots? To collect water from the torrent. So the girl was collecting the water from the torrent. Okay, okay, so the girl always went to the torrent and filled her pitchers. So she confused that why would you like to fill my pitchers, she asked. Okay, next, para number 17. In para number 17, the man replied, "No, I shall draw pictures on your picture." Okay, so what he is telling, no, I want to draw water from torrent. I would like to draw some pictures or some arts on your pots. Okay, the girl was annoyed. Annoyed means feeling slightly angry. Para number 19. Pictures? Indeed, I have no time to waste on such as you. I am going, and she walked away. So she thought that in this paradise no one will waste their work. Okay, then why this man is going to draw some pictures on my pots? She told that I have no time to waste on you. Okay, so what she told, I have no time to waste such as you, I am going, and she walked away.